I'm Dave Bednar. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of CU Mortgage Direct, the mortgage CUSO for Sioux Empire Federal Credit Union. Today we're going to talk a little bit about mortgages and the types of mortgages that CU Mortgage Direct offers to the members of Sioux Empire Federal Credit Union and to the general public. So the types of programs that CU Mortgage Direct offers, we offer conventional, FHA, VA, USDA rural development loans, as well as the first-time homebuyer program, also known as South Dakota Housing Development Authority. So those are the basic types of loans that we offer to the membership and to the general public of South Dakota. We have many borrowers, potential borrowers, come in and ask, geez, what's the best type of mortgage for me? So our trained professionals, our mortgage loan originators, are trained to go ahead and sit down and consult, get information, and decide on the best program for the member or the applicant for the new home. It might be that you have something in your mind that you come in thinking that you're going to want a conventional loan where you might not have enough of a down payment, credit scores might not be criteria. So our mortgage loan originators will go ahead and consult and advise you on the best program and the best interest rate so that you can get into that home fast and easy. At CU Mortgage Direct, we're fully operational. We will take your home mortgage application from the get-go. We start with the application. Our processing team is all located here in Sioux Falls. Our underwriting team, we have a full staff of underwriters here. We'll underwrite your file, go back to processing, keep in touch with your mortgage loan originator in your Sioux Falls office, your Madison office, or your Watertown office. And from there, you'll go ahead and get your documents sent out from Sioux Falls. And then the best thing is that we now offer full in-house servicing. So if you do a conventional loan with us, we're an approved Fannie Mae seller servicer, so your payments will be made here to CU Mortgage Direct at Sioux Falls. So that's the big news for us. We're happy to be able to provide a service before and after the loan closing. You can stop in, make tax payments, insurance questions, escrow questions, anything having to do with your payment afterwards, we'll be happy to take care of that for you. So CU Mortgage Direct is a full service operation right here in Sioux Falls. We take care of the entire state right here. Question always comes up, what kind of documents do I need to bring in when I meet with a mortgage loan originator at CU Mortgage Direct? There's an easy checklist. It's very simple. Driver's license, social security card. If you have your last 30 days worth of your pay stubs, we will accept those. Last 2 years W-2s and your last 2 years of federal tax returns. If there's a state involved, we don't need a state, just federal tax returns only. And that will get you going. That'll make the decision for the mortgage loan originator. We can keep moving on, get you pre-approved and pre-qualified from that point. Sometimes potential applicants come in and they ask, well, what's the current rate? Well, we want you to know that you're going to get the most competitive rate that CU Mortgage Direct can offer based on the current market conditions. Interest rates can change quite often throughout the day, during the day. And so what is told to you in the morning by either us or someone else can possibly change by the time you make your decision in the afternoon. So we want you to know that we're on top of the markets for you, that we're going to quote you the best rate that we can offer to you. And the same thing with closing costs. Closing costs can vary depending on the loan program and loan amount. So keep that in mind when you come in. Just know that CU Mortgage Direct is going to offer the best competitive interest rate and best competitive closing costs for you as much as possible. Many of our members, our customers, always call in and ask, when's the best time to come in and get a mortgage? We always encourage you to stop in and visit with a mortgage loan originator as early as possible. When you get that inclination that you're going to be buying a home in the next 2 to 3 months, we want to get you in here so we can sit down with you and talk to you about the best program, the money that you're going to need for closing, and we want to gather all the information up for you. So the process takes approximately 2 or 3 days for pre-qualification. The general process of buying a home loan with federal guidelines and disclosures and so forth can take as long as 35 to 40 days. So we want to get you in, get the paperwork out of the way so that you can get comfortable with all of the numbers and feel comfortable with buying a home and knowing that you're going to be able to close as soon as you can. So we encourage you to get in here as soon as possible. Stop by and see Sioux Mortgage Direct. One of our mortgage loan originators will be happy to sit down with you.